I found this question in this paper. STUV is a rectangle. Prove that the area on the right, or QUVR, is 2x squared plus 20x. Let's start by getting the length of QU. QU equals the length of SV, represented as 3x plus 5. Subtracting TQ, which is 2x, results in x plus 5. Now let's make a small triangle by making a new line WR like so. WR will be 4x since the shape is a rectangle and opposite sides equal each other. QW will be the length QU subtracted by RV, which is x plus 5 minus 5. That results in x. Now with all the necessary lengths available, we can calculate the area of the small triangle and rectangle WUVR. The area of the triangle is half base times perpendicular height, and the area of the rectangle is length times width. So 0.5 or half times x times 4x plus 5 times 4x is 2x squared plus 20x. And with that, we have proven the area of the shape QUVR. Thank you for watching.